Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Islamic Studies, Book 1, Chapter 13. Chapter 13 is about Wudhu. Al-Wudhu, that means how do I perform Wudhu. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that a person's prayer, that means salah, is not accepted if he is not pure. So, before praying, a Muslim must purify himself. He should wash off the dirt, if any, from his body. A Muslim should make sure that his clothes are clean. Wudu should be performed with pure water. There are few steps to perform wudu. Number 1. Make the intention of purifying yourself for salah. Number 2. Start in the name of Allah by saying Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Number 3. Wash the right hand and the left hand 3 times. You should wash up to the wrists and between the fingers. Number 4. Rinse out the mouth 3 times. Number 5. Sniff water into the nose and give it a gentle blow 3 times. Number 6. Wash the face 3 times from the hairline to the bottom of the chin and from ear to ear. Number 7. Wash the right forearm up to the elbow, including the hand, 3 times. Then wash the left forearm up to the elbow, including the hand, 3 times. Number 8. Wet your hands and wipe the head once from the hairline to the neck and back again to the front. Number 9. With wet hands, wipe the inside of the ears with the index finger and the outside of the ears with your thumb once. Number 10. Wash the feet starting with the right foot from the toes to the heels and ankles. Do this 3 times and remember to rub between the toes. Now recite a shahada. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah SWT, and I bear witness that Muhammad ﷺ is his servant and messenger. Now let's choose the best answer. Number 1. I always wash my dash foot before my left one. Left or right? The answer is right. I rinse out my mouth dash times, 3 or 4. The answer is 3. I do not forget to say Bismillah when I dash. Start or finish? The answer is start. Next, I wash my face dash. I wash my forearms up to the elbows, including the hands. Before or after? The answer is before. Next, I sniff water into my nose and give it a dash blow. Gentle or hard? The answer is gentle. See you in the next video with the next chapter. Till then, may Allah SWT keep all of us in the best state of Iman. Inshallah. Aameen. Summa Aameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.